Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a Christmas and holiday offer that you shouldn't miss checking it out. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video and see what's the offer all about. So this Christmas come holiday offer is coming straight from the house of Tenorshare. And for those who don't know what Tenorshare is all about, to them I would like to tell the fact that Tenorshare is one of the leading companies when it comes to making softwares, plus they are a trustable source. So getting back to their Christmas and holiday deal, this is basically a chance for you all watching this video to get the notable and trustworthy softwares at more affordable prices. To kick off their Christmas offer, they came up with a dedicated page that you can definitely check it out. The link to their site is in the description. When you land on their holiday promotional page, first of all, like me, you will also love the whole theme of this page. And before I forget, the last date to avail the offers available on this page is 8th Jan 2021. So as you scroll down, you will see 4 Christmas related icons on this page, and each one being clickable. With that being said, let's take a look at each one of them. So when you click on the first icon, you would be guided to that part of the site that has all the information about the giveaway. This giveaway is sponsored by HitPaw, and HitPaw Toolkit is basically one-stop video editing tool for beginners that has almost all the essential features that are needed for editing your videos. So as to get the 1-month license code for the HitPaw editing software, all you have to do is just 2 things. Number 1, share this page on the below listed social media platforms with mentioned hashtags. Number 2, enter a valid email ID to get the free license code. That's it. Next up on the site is the offer of 6-in-1 bundle. That, to be honest, is really the deal that you shouldn't miss. The offer says at a price of $99.95, you get a 1-year license of your favorite softwares. And trust me, these softwares are really very useful. And if you scroll down, you will see the list of Tenorshare softwares that you would be getting with this bundle. If you aren't that type of person who believes in buying out bundles, don't worry. Tenorshare is even offering a flat 70% off on their products. So when you reach this part of the page, you can see the list of softwares that are up on sale. You can grab any one of them as per your need. And if you ask me, to be honest, I really love the Reboot software by Tenorshare. That basically is one of the best iOS system repair tools that gets you back when your iPhone gets stuck on Apple logo or stuck in spinning wheel icon. It can even fix more than 150 serious iOS related problems easily and safely. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.